So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And most of you are asking how to enable this. So check my progress bar. Check the video description for that. Now, first thing what you have to do, you have to just right click over here and just open the link incognito window. Now from here, just click on this copy app, select Google and come to the lab instruction. From here, just copy the username, paste it like this, hit enter. Again, do with the password too. Next, I understand and allow some of the permissions over here. It will take few seconds. Now once it is done, just click on copy app. Now just come to the lab instruction and from here just copy this particular name and just paste it and click on copy app. Now you can clearly see the app is being copied. You have to wait for it to reach 100% first of all. Okay. So finally it is copied. Now just open a new tab and just type Sheets. From here just open it